Yeah, hello everyone. So we'll be continuing with data sufficiency. Okay, so today we'll be doing 2024 questions. Okay, little winter has come. CSAT 2024. Now let's see this first question. First thing, it is asking you what are the values of m and n, where m and n are natural numbers. First of all, this is what kind of question? There you have to tell the values of m and n. So that means a small box and you are searching for that one particular pair of numbers that you can fill here. If you can find a unique value, that is sufficient, otherwise insufficient. Now let's start. Let's try to find m and n. So first statement says m plus n is greater than mn. Very good. And m is greater than n. So there are so many numbers like this where the sum will be greater than the product. Correct. M and n are natural numbers. For example, 1 plus 2. Okay, 1 plus 2, or let's write m is greater than n. So 2 plus 1. Okay, 2 plus 1 is greater than 2 into 1, that is 2. Also 3 plus 1 is greater than 3 into 1. All these are possibilities. Now so 1 is not giving you a definite answer, 2 I gave you anyway. There are many more like this, many pairs. Then second one, the product of m and n is 24. Okay, so product is of m and n is 24. Now how many possibilities are there such that m and n can be 24? There are many possibilities. For example, it can be 24 into 1. Correct. So let's write m and n. Okay, let's write the possibilities of m and n. So that can be 24 into 1, then 12 into 2, then you can have 8 into 3, and you can have 6 into 4. Basically 1, 2, 3, 4, you see like this. So 1 into 24, 2 into 12, 3 into 8, 4 into 6. Now next, if you try to choose, it will be 4 into 6, that is just a repetition. So these are the 4 pairs. Okay, 4 pairs which are possible. Now if you see, is this enough? No, this is not giving you a unique answer. So 1 and 2 alone are not enough. Let's try the combination of both of them. So let's see the combination. Now it says m plus n has to be greater than mn, and m is greater than n. So let's try to do this. In this one, in the first one, let's try this. Is m plus n greater than mn? So yes, m plus n is here 25. Is it greater than 24 into 1 is 24? Yes. And in this, m has to be greater than n. So okay, koi baat nahi, we will take this as m and this as n. So this is satisfying both the properties. Okay, very good. Now let's see what others are doing. This is satisfying both the properties. Now next one, 12 and 2. 12 plus 2 is 14. Is 14 greater than 12 into 2, that is 24? No, this is incorrect. So this is not holding. Similarly, the product will be still 24, and 8 plus 3 is 11. So this is also not holding. Then 6 into 4, this is again 24. What is their sum? 6 plus 4, 10. So this is also not holding. So that means of all the 4 possibilities, only this one is holding the first statement also. So do we have a unique pair? Yes, we do have a unique pair. I can fill here very confidently 24 and 1. This is the only pair that has product as 24 and sum of numbers is greater than product of numbers, and one of them is greater than the other. All properties satisfied. This is the only pair. So if you get to the answer, the question can be answered using both the statements together, but not any statement alone. Got it? Then next, you're understanding how I am doing this. So basically, if there are 2 statements, especially in number system, that are giving some different numbers, so I first try to zone in on the statement that gives me limited options. For example, here the second statement was giving me only 4 options, while the first statement will give me many options. Hundreds and thousands of options you can create like this. Okay, so many options can be created here, but here there was limited. So I check for this one and then try to find which one also satisfy the first property. Understood? Then let's do the next. Yeah, let's do this. What it says, it is asking you what is the time required to download the software. Okay, some time required to download the software is asked. Then, so what you need here, you will get a perfect time. You should get a perfect time. That's it. Now, the size of the software is 12 megabytes. Okay, very nice. So size is 12 megabytes. By this, can you tell 12 megabyte के songs होते हैं? So just I am telling you that this song is of 12 megabytes. Can you tell me in how many seconds it will get downloaded? It depends. You're using 2G, 3G, 4G, 5G, 5G, whatever. So basically, it depends on the internet speed. So this is wrong, not enough. Then second, the transfer rate is 2.4 kilobytes per second. But now you have to forget the first statement. So you don't know the size of the document or file. So this also is not enough. But if you take them both together, so now you have the download speed. Okay, so you know the speed of internet also, and the size also is known to you. If you combine them both, it gives you the time that is required. Very simple. So 1 and 2 not enough, but not enough just individually, but if you take them together, they become enough. Fine. Then next. Next is this. It says what? What are the unique values of x and y? Where x, y and y are distinct numbers. Now see. Okay. So again, x, y are distinct natural numbers. Values पूछी हैं. That means यहाँ मुझे कुछ fill करने के लिए मिलना चाहिए. Exact values I should get that I can fill here. Now let's start. So statement 1 is x by y is odd. The statement itself is odd. So just by being odd, it does not give you anything. X by y is odd, so nothing much. Okay. There are many numbers which when divided by another number will give you odd. Correct. X by y is actually some number. Now some numbers are odd, some numbers are even. So there are plethora of possibilities. Of course not a unique thing. Correct. Two examples if you want. Then I can give you 6 by 2 and also let's take 10 by 2. Fine. 6 by 2 is giving you odd. 10 by 2 also giving you 5, that is odd. So there are many like this. Does not matter. Now, first is not enough. Second, x, y is equals to 12. Now, is this giving you anything unique? No. How many possibilities? 1 into 12, 2 into 6, 3 into 4. Any more unique possibilities? No. Next would be 4 into 3 and then repetition. So there are 3 possibilities here. Again, we'll focus on which statement? See, second statement in itself is not enough. What should I fill here? I don't know. There are 3 possibilities. But if I take them both together, then can I find the answer? That is the question. Again, here many possibilities, ignore that. Now we try to find in this second statement these 3 possibilities, which one also satisfied the property of first statement. Understood? Now let's try to find which of them satisfies it. So this one, if you take, so 12 by 1 is equals to 12. Is this odd? No. Rejected. Next, 2 and 6. I am taking the bigger number, okay, because otherwise you will be getting fraction and it does not hold any sense. Of course, it won't be odd, it would be a fraction. So then 6 by 2, 6 by 2 is 3 and this is also odd. Then next is this 3 by 4 or 4 by 3. 4 by 3 is what? It's a fraction, even odd, nothing. So this also has no meaning. So only possibility that you get here is with respect to this 2 and 6. So answer becomes x is 6 and y is 2. So that as you can see, x by y becomes odd, 6 by 2, 3 odd. Then x into y is 12, 6 into 2, 12. Both done? Understood? So this is how you have to do now. So basically, if I take both of them together, then I am somehow able to answer this. So answer becomes what? The question can be answered by using both the statements together, but not either statement. Then